So hi everyone, how's it going? Sabine here with another amazing video, and in this video we're going to be doing a review of a brand new training course called Chatmat Profit. And Chatmat Profit is a training course in which you can learn how you can start your own messenger marketing automation bot that's going to make you a consistent affiliate income, a passive affiliate income that's going to make you money month by month. You do not have to promote an affiliate offer again and again. After you promote an affiliate offer to one person, that person going to be paying a money on a monthly basis, and you are going to be making a monthly recurring income. Everything going to be shown inside the training course, how you're going to be set up in things from scratch, how you're going to be growing your bot list, how you're going to be driving your traffic. In short, you're going to be getting a tons of value inside this. So before I dive into my review, I want to give you a quick note that make sure you watch this review until the end, because I'm going to be giving you absolutely free gift. And if you have got any question about the product, me myself or anything else, you make sure you are going to be commenting down below, because I'm going to be responding soon as possible with your answer. So now let's jump into a review. So this is a basically is a chatbot training program who's gonna literally teach you every single thing how you're gonna be starting your own messenger marketing bot. Because email marketing and other way of marketing, like traditional marketing, you need to have a big email list or bulk email list. You have to do a lot of hard work, but this is gonna allow you to make a profit doing a smart work. You do not have to normally build a thousands of thousand member chatbot list. You can start with 100 or 200 people, and how you can make an recurring income from this method. And the instructor of the program is following the same method to make a profit, and a lot of other marketers also trying the method, and that is making them all tons of money doing a messenger marketing, even if they have only got a few subscribers. So you are going to be learning all those inside this, and not only you have to normally gonna be learning that thing, you are also going to be seeing how to automate those thing in a zero cost. You do not need to pay any additional cost to make this happen, and how you can run all of these on autopilot, so you do not have to do a work again and again. After you set up everything, you are ready to go, and you are going to be making a profit every single month. Has been provided. There are a 6 training module. Each training module has got a 2 or 3 video training who's going to explain you every single thing. I'm going to be showing you a detailed overview of the members area and many more. But before I normally start showing you the detailed overview of the members area, I want to make sure you are going to be getting a tons of value if you decided to pick it up your copy of Chatmat Profit. So there are going to be a link down below on the description. Make sure you click that link, who's going to take you to this special bonus page here, from where you can book your copy of Chatmat Profit. But this is only the one thing that you have to keep in mind, is that this bonus page is going to be taken down on a 3rd of August. So you have to make sure you are going to be picking up your copy before the 3rd of August. This is a countdown timer who's going to be up and running, so make sure you pick up your copy before this countdown timer hits 0. I have normally give up every single detail of the course, so you can learn every single thing that whether this course going to be helping you to make a profit or not. So now it's time for the exclusive bonuses that I have putting out together if you decided to pick it up your copy, so you can get a tons of value. But you have to make sure you are going to be picking up your copy of Chatmat Profit from this bonus page in order to get the bonuses which I'm about to show. So first bonus I have got for you is Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp. Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp is my own training course in which I have shown you how you are going to be making $100 from affiliate marketing with a free traffic every single day, using absolutely free traffic and no addiction cost you have to pay in order to follow the method. So I'm going to be giving you a free access to this one. Bonus number 2 going to be a Soft Viper. Inside the Soft Viper, I'm going to be showing you one of the underrated method for driving a free traffic to the any link, any offer, or any you want to be absolutely for free traffic, and you do not have to pay anything to drive this traffic. At the end of the day, traffic is the thing that's going to make you a money as an online marketer. So third bonus I have got for is Backfire. Inside a Backfire, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be driving a buyer traffic, a traffic with fill up with hungry people who are ready to buy the offer you have promoted. You are going to be learning a very underrated method that's going to make you a tons of money, because these are highly targeted people who are ready to buy the offer that you are currently promoting. Fourth bonus going to be a Shield Broker. Inside the Shield Broker, I'm going to be showing you exact same formula which is I'm normally doing in my day-to-day life. That is making me $100 to $300 absolutely free traffic. I'm not paying any addiction thing for those traffic. That is making me a consistent affiliate commission. I can promote any product I want, and I'm going to be showing you exact same formula inside the Shield Broker. Fifth bonus I have got for you is a $800 advertising credit. That means if you want to explore a paid advertisement network, or if you want to drive a traffic from a Google AdWords and being to your chatbots, you can use this $800 advertising credit to do that, so you can make a more profit from this. And these are a free advertisement credit, no additional cost required for using this credit. So make sure you click any of the green button throughout the bonus page in order to secure your copy of a Chatmat Profit from here, in order to get access to these amazing bonuses. Another bonus you're going to be getting is a vendor bonus. The product creator of Chatmart Profit has also offered some of the addiction bonus which you are going to be getting inside the members area, who's going to be also a more valuable, who's going to help you to make a most out of your investment. So I have normally make sure you have not missed out any single thing. For claiming your bonus is pretty simple. You are going to be seeing this button called access affiliate bonus right in front of your purchase receipt, so you can normally get access to all of the bonuses instantly. You do not have to mail me or anything else. So as you know that I have talked about a free gift that I am going to be offering you. So free gift going to be a beta access to my upcoming product list reveal. So if you want a beta access to my upcoming product list reveal, make sure you pick up your copy of a Chatmart Profit from this bonus page and send me an email, which I'm going to be provided in a description, and you can normally get your copy of a list reveal beta absolutely for free as a gift for picking up a Chatmart Profit from the bonus page. So this is a free gift which you shall not miss out. So these are amazing bonuses that I am offering. If you decide to pick it up your copy of Chatmart Profit, make sure you pick it up before the 3rd of August, so you are going to be getting a absolutely no-brainer value with amazing bonuses. So now let's just preview and a sales page and show some of the detail of the product. As I have already mentioned, this is going to help you to autopilot traffic buyer in a minute. 100% newbie friendly method. Instantly build a list of a buyer. This is going to help you to build a list of people who are going to be buying a product. You are guaranteed, so you are not at all risks. After you click the green button on bonus page, you can hit this red button in order to secure your copy. All of your investment has been secured by a Warrior Plus 30-day money back guarantee. That means there is nothing to lose within a 30-day period. If you do not like the actual product, you can normally request for a refund. Okay, so I'm normally going to be decreasing the size of my browser so I can show you everything properly and fit on your screen. So step 1 going to be get access to a Chatmart Profit, login into a dashboard and access an automated system, start getting traffic and sale, and sit back and relax and watch your earning growing, which is pretty simple obviously. And you are going to be getting some of the amazing bonuses also. You can go through the sales page by your own. So now let's come and talk about the pricing of the product. So main product gonna be around the $7 to a $14. The price is going to be around the $7 to a $14, which is really cheap. It's less than the price of a pizza. So you make sure you are going to be getting a tons of value in the lowest price. You are going to be getting a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you do not like the product, actually you can request for an before the 30-day, which is another way that your investment is secure. You have to pay a low amount of investment for getting access, and this is a one-time payment, no monthly or any recurring fee. Product also has got some of the extra upgrade which are optional. If you decided to normally upgrade your plan, you can pick it up these upgrades. The first going to be a buyer extractor case study, which gonna only cost you $17, which is also pretty low. If you decided to pick it up this one, you are going to be getting some addiction bonuses. All these all OTO are optional. This you can pick it up, or if you do not want to buy this, you can stick with the main version. And gonna be an op number 2, who's gonna be a done for you bundle. Inside a done for you, you are gonna be getting a guaranteed approval to promote a high affiliate offer. You can normally you can make a 10 time more profit with a done for you coupon code to drive a hungry buyer in your promotion. Done for you eye grabbing voucher image, you are gonna be getting done for you high ever Facebook post, and each approved post you are going to be getting a done for you many chat follow-up sequence to increase your conversion. You are going to be getting a done magnet and a 100% resale right to drive a buyer lead into your business. You are going to be getting $37, and you are going to be getting a tons of value in upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 3 gonna be an profits expert, who's gonna cost you $197, which is a pretty expensive. But in this you are gonna be getting a live video call where the product creator gonna be take a you hand to hand and show you how to send a 5,000 clicks and implement in a Chatmart Profit training from a start to finish. A full access to extra 4 masterclass where they are going to be revealing some extra secret hack for you. You can scale up, you can drive a tons of traffic. So you are going to be getting an end-to-end one-on-one coaching from the product creator in upgrade number 3. If you pick it up a $97 upgrade, it's pretty expensive, but this is going to help you to make a tons of money. Upgrade number 4 going to be a traffic domination elite. Inside this coaching program, student how to build their messenger bot subscriber a buyer list through a both free and paid traffic method. And they are also going to be showing you how to make a monthly passive recurring sale every single day, so they can work less. That means you can work less and make a more profit. These all going to be taught by a mentor, a 6-figure online earner gonna be teaching you how you're gonna be doing all of these. So these are upgrade of the product. So now you know the pricing of the product, upgrade of the product, what product gonna be do. So now let's have a look to the main version of the product. So this is the main version of the product. You are gonna be getting a welcome video from an instruction. You can register for a live workshop, you can join a group, and you can create your account on a chatmat gonna be your messenger marketing bot who's gonna help you to automate all of these in a no matter of time. You are going to be getting a first module. In a first module, chatmat profit introduction. In the introduction, you are going to be seeing how to make a profit from this method, how to set up a ClickBank account because you are going to be promoting some high converting ClickBank offer. After that, how you will earn a commission. You are going to be learning how you are going to be making a commission from this, how you are going to be getting your affiliate link. So these are a more training module 2. Okay, so now have a look to the training module 3. In this you are going to be learning how to set up your affiliate link page 1, affiliate link page 2, and affiliate link page 3. Training 4 going to be connecting your fan page to a chatmat marketing bot, a basic message and a campaign setup inside a chatmat. After that, you are going to be learning installing a done for you chatmat templating and a link who's going to help you to increase the conversion and get a better sale. After that, getting traffic, ordering traffic and a case study, a free traffic and a paid traffic version both has been provided inside this. In a 6 module, how you're going to be getting a free 100 click. So free 100 buyer click gonna be sent it to your chatbot absolutely for free. If you normally go and buy it manually, that's gonna cost you $70 to $80 because that is a solo ad that product creator gonna be sending you. But if you normally get your copy of chatmat profit front end version, who's only gonna be costing you around a $7 to a $17, I guess, which is almost around a less than the price of a pizza, you're gonna be getting a click worth almost $80, which is really amazing. And these all 100 click can help you to make a better profit. You can see lot of testimonial in a sales page that lot of people have got this 100 click and they have make a tons of profit with this. So from here you can pick it up your upgrade if you want the extra upgrade. You are gonna be getting some vendor bonuses. First gonna be an elite buyer traffic, which is another way for driving a traffic. Unlimited bot opt-in, on-tap bot traffic, how you're gonna be driving a traffic from on-tap bot traffic, FB bot traffic, emoji traffic, and super solo traffic. These are bonuses that you are going to be getting inside the members area of a chatmat profit. So to be honest, the price is going to be around $12 only. Okay, not going to be $17, only a $12. So now I'm going to be normally taking you to the down and show you the actual price of the product, so whether you can decide whether you to buy the product or not, because this is really valuable product you're going to be getting in a really cheap price. So now I'm going to be scrolling to the bottom so I can show you the price of the product. Okay, so there is also no pricing of the product. So let's just scroll it a little bit up and I'm going to be showing you a price. You can see the price is going to be only at $12.95, and in this you're going to be getting a tons of value, instant access to all of my bonuses. My one single bonus, $800 advertising credit, can make you are tons of money on your investment. You just have to make sure you are going to be picking up your copy of chatmat profit from my bonus page. So they are going to be linked down below on the description. Hit that link, visit the bonus page, pick your copy and enjoy the bonuses and make as much profit you can from those bonuses and the main training. This is the craziest video training that's going to be launched today, so make sure you are going to be picking up your copy of this one, who's going to make you a tons of money.